Hi, how are you today? I bet you're now wondering how you're going to turn the pile of boxes that was just delivered into a beautiful bed like this one behind me. Well, the first place that you want to start is by counting and inspecting all of your boxes that you received. You want to check for any visible damage or any missing items. If you have any concerns, please contact customer care at maxwoodfurniture.com and they will answer all of your questions. Now, to start assembling your bed, we have a few suggestions. One, make sure that you have plenty of space to assemble your bunk, loft, or bed. We suggest you have a minimum of 6 inches all the way around the bed to allow easy assembly and for bolt placement. While we've made our assembly instructions as easy as possible for single-person assembly, 2 people is always better when possible. I'm sure you noticed as you were inspecting your boxes that several boxes have a piece of red tape attached to it. These boxes denote items that have assembly instructions and hardware. The placement of this red tape will denote the location of the hardware pack within the box. Now that you have inspected all of your boxes, it's time to start building. We recommend for loft beds and bunk beds that you start with either the ladder or the staircase. The ladder and the staircase boxes will contain the rock locks, which are required to either stack or loft your bed. Also, assembling the staircase first will help you with space management later when you're building the main portion of your bed. And the most important advice I have for you is take your time. If you do need additional help, please contact customer care either through chat, email, or phone, or you can always go to our website, maxtrixkids.com, and visit the additional resources page. Now remember, take your time and enjoy the beautiful bed that you have when you're finished. It'll last you a lifetime and your kids are gonna love it.